Example number 2. Name equals to Moein. Print of name gives us Moein in the output. Again, I have a variable which is name, N-A-M-E. It is the name of the variable. Name is the name of the variable. It keeps this information. What kind of information? Moein. Moein is information for this variable, which is actually the identifier. It is a placeholder. It is a placeholder where it holds the information Moein. If I want to access this information, what kind of information? Moein. I need to call the variable. What is the variable in this case? Name. So I'm going to put print of name. When I run the program, I will get Moein in the output, which is my desired information here. I wanted this information. So to access this information, I called the variable, which is my identifier. It is a placeholder. I called this name with the help of the print. So print of name, which gives Moein. There I got the information in the output. I repeat it, I didn't use quotes here because it is the name of the variable. It is a variable. For the variable, you don't need to put the quotes. If you have a simple print function, if I skip this part and I have only print of name, then I need to use the quotes, single quotes or double quotes. So it will give me the name here if I have only this print function. But since I have the identifier here, I have the variable name equals to Moein. So I called this variable name. Therefore, I don't need to put the quotes. Simply put print of name, which returns Moein in the output. These are some very technical points. You have to be very careful.